Hello and welcome to my channel called BabyBooks. In this channel we discuss short summaries of books and sharing the most vital points of one book. In today's book I have Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus by Ludwig Wittgenstein. In this book, this person examines the deepness of the language. How is it used, and looks at philosophy as a whole of connected to the language. How is it connected to the language? And the most important idea is that to show, not tell, about his philosophy for language. Just to express the idea, the idea, and not using any language. And Mr. Wittgenstein states, "The limits of my language are the limits of my world." In other words, whatever can be expressed in words constructs the boundaries of our knowable reality, which roughly means that whatever we know, it bounds us to. It gives us boundaries of our knowledge and understanding about the world. Another topic that he discusses in this book is that math is not real, which can be, someone can agree about it, since for example he gives 2 plus 2, it's 4. Okay, we all know that, but it doesn't have something tangible, something physical that you can touch and you can relate, because 2, what is it? 2, it's abstract. What are numbers in general? They're like abstract. Another notion of the book says that discusses the topic of causation, the cause of some event or anything that happens in the world, or in our world, in our inner world. The causation, it has empirical in a sense, meaning that it's scientific. It's have a scientific notion, scientific direction. But outside of science, what does causation has again something magical, not real, imaginary, that you can just connect to events without putting additional thought. Okay, I admit that this is for a first video. I'm kind of rough and not so good with the speech, but I hope by the time I go to 100 videos, I'll have much smoother talking and a mind or line of thought that goes without stopping, and sharing with you more prolific ideas that will give you some insight of a specific book, and actually I can read the final summary, so you will know the basics of the book. Language builds the scaffolding of meaning, but facts can't encapsulate the full depth of conscious life. Philosophy often goes astray by forcing language past its logical limits. Yet, its boundaries, language can illustrate experience through reason, implicit structures, but true meaning reverberates in the unspoken chasm between what we can show and what we can tell about. Quick note while reading this, another idea popped that Mr. Wittgenstein concentrates on the unspoken. What is unspoken has more value, more weight to it than to the spoken. And going back to this quote, show not tell. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, you know the drill. If you don't, you know the other drill. Bash me. No, don't bash me. Just say whatever you want to say. Thank you and good night.